Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present a sweet little treat, my peanut brittle recipe. This easy to make low-carb recipe can also be made with pecans for more of a praline taste. Either way, you won't be disappointed. Let's get started. Begin by adding 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter to a saucepan on medium heat. A granulated sugar substitute equal to a half a cup of regular sugar. Add a sugar-free caramel syrup. I love this syrup in my coffee as well. Now give a mix until the butter has melted. Stir in some dry roasted salted peanuts. Give a notice to how liquid this looks now. The idea is to slowly cook and brown the butter and evaporate the moisture. Stir as it continues to simmer and brown. As the moisture evaporates, it'll thicken up. This will take a few minutes, but you should end up with it looking something like this. Turn off the heat and stir in some vanilla extract. Lay some parchment paper over a baking sheet. Pour the peanuts over the top. Gently spread by lightly pressing with a spatula. You want each peanut to touch the parchment paper without spreading away from the others. Let rest and cool for 30 minutes. You'll know it's cooled when it's hardened a bit and able to form cracks when gently lifted. Refrigerate for at least 1 hour to set. When fully set, you can separate with a knife, but I think it's much easier just to use your hands to break them into pieces. This stores nicely in an airtight container in the refrigerator. There you have it, folks, my peanut brittle recipe. A nice little low-carb treat when that sweet tooth craving comes a-calling. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.